Alright, so guys, on today's video we are going to show you how to sew a design on a short sleeve. You know, understand? So we will bring you back to back sewing tutorial videos. You know, understand? I can't sew the works I used to sew for my my clients without recording the video. So on this day too, we are going to show you how to do what, add a design on the short sleeve, on top of the short sleeve. So this is how it was done. The wideness of it was 2¼ inches. Can you see it right here? And we folded it into two. You know, understand? We folded it into two. So we are going to stitch it on a 1/4 inch all through to the end part. You know, understand? Or maybe 1/2 inch all through to the end part. And this is how to cut the sleeve. You know, understand? Then you slantly, you know, understand? You put it there and you slant it to this side and you measure the sleeve around that you want. You know, understand? Then you cut it slightly to that part. So the sleeve length is 9½ inches. You know, understand? But when we add this one to it, we want the actual sleeve length to be what, 9½ inches, so that we can use the 1/2 inches for the what, the sewing around, to make the actual sleeve length to be 9 inches, right? So we are going to join it. We are going to join the short sleeve design. So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So we are going to first stitch this one, then we will stitch the other part. You know, understand? We will stitch this one and we will get to stitch the other part of the sleeve, right? So we are stitching it on a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. We are stitching it straight to the end part. Stitching it straight to the end part. Guys, can you see the way I'm doing it? Guys, can you see the way I'm doing it? So guys, now I've done the first one. Let's left with the second one. We are going to stitch the second one to the end part. So guys, now I'm done stitching it, right? So I'm gonna cut the excess thread from it like this. You know, understand? Just like we always do, so that the new we are sewing it so that the new followers will also see how to do it. You know, understand? So now we are going to iron it. We are going to iron the top and the back. You understand? It's looking anyhow, right? So we are going to iron it to make it smooth, right? So that we can open it like this. You know, understand? We can open it after ironing it, and it's going to be what, looking stunning, and it's going to be looking beautiful. We're going to iron the both sides, the left and the right sleeve. That is a short sleeve, left and the right. So we are going to iron it and to make it the way we want it to be, and come and show you. Alright, so guys, now we have done ironing. So now can we, if you open it, this is exactly how it's looking. Can you see it right here? After ironing it, if you open it, we have ironed it to make it go to the down part. You understand? So after ironing it, can you see exactly how it's looking. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Hope it's looking stunning. Bye bye.